Y'all know I gotta show off my outfit, you know what I mean? You know I had to do it, I always do it, you know? This audio is probably gonna sound bad, but I just got on here, y'all, just to say this as an intro. If you guys out there, you got something that you love to do, it don't have to be barbering, it don't have to be, you know, anything about hair. It's just in life, period, you know what I mean? If you guys got something that you know, are passionate about, and you know, it's just every time you wake up you feel like, you know, this is burning inside of you, start taking steps to get there, you know what I mean? Start taking steps to work at whatever it is that you want to do. Don't sit here and keep doing the same thing, you know what I mean? I'm gonna give you guys a kind of metaphor real quick. It's like when you have a nail and you're trying to hammer a nail in the cement, right? And you just keep trying to hammer that nail in the cement, and it's just not going in, okay? It's not, matter of fact, it's not going in, okay? That's just like your life. You keep doing the same thing, it's not happening for you. Things are not, it's just going bad because you keep trying to hammer that nail in, and the nail is bending on you. You know what I mean? The nail is somehow just kind of like, okay, I can't go into the cement. How about you change your situation? Do something else. Take that nail and go to something good like wood and start tapping that thing in there. All right, don't force it. Don't sit here and jam it in, okay? Take those baby steps, because when you tap it in there, tap it in there, tap it in there, it's going down straight and strong. You know what I mean? Nothing can take it out unless you just turn the head and try to dig it out. And you know what I mean? But you ain't gonna do that to yourself. So what I'm saying is, stop doing the same old thing. If you got a passion for whatever it is that you want to do, attack it, man. Go do something different, put it in there, and start taking those baby steps, nailing that thing down. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I hope that inspired you. I just, you know what I mean? This is something that I could give to any beginner, anybody that wanna. You gonna struggle doing whatever it is, taking that leap, but don't be left wondering what it is on, you know what I mean, on the other side. I wonder if had I did that. No, just do it. Just do it. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Stay tuned. Look, this my YouTube. Me showing y'all how to get waves. Gotta grind hard, gotta play later. Been doing this since the 8th grade. So grab your brushes and I'll show you the details about what I just got something in the mail to them haters. I don't take nothing to heart. My waves look like a hurricane in the ocean. No shark. Shout out to the wavers that did this before me, but I'm 360 Jeezy. So using my Andis cordless T outliners, I'm gonna set in my first bald line, and I'm gonna do a high taper, so I'm doing it in a round like shape. Using my wall cordless seniors with the lever open, I'm gonna use my corners near the lineup area so I could try to keep it as dark as possible. I'm gonna be going up about 1 inch. So like I said, I'm keeping that lineup area dark by gradually going up about 1 inch to where the inch is only truly in the middle. Using the one guard open, I'm going up and cleaning up that area, but I'm just making sure that everything is to that one guard length. I'm not actually taking too much hair off at this point. So with the zero guard closed in a flick out motion, you want to flick out that middle line. With the lever closed, using your corners as much as possible, because this is a little area that you have to work with. In a flick out motion, you're flicking out that bottom line. Right now I'm gonna freehand the sides using my wall magic clips. Now this kind of haircut is kind of unusual to me because he wants like a faux hawk slash taper in the back, high taper on the side, and you know I gotta do my best to try to give him what he wants. and visually try to come up with something that looks nice. So right now I'm just attacking the sides, doing sort of some cleanup work and shaping it into a faux hawk like shape. So there's really no point in telling you guys how to do this side. I'm gonna speed this side up. It's the same steps that you would have done on the other side. So as far as the back goes, it's the same step as on the side, but you have a lot of room to work with. I'm using my wall magic clips to set in my first bald line. Now using my cordless wall seniors, I'm setting in my guideline with the lever open, and I'm going up a little bit more than an inch. So with the one guard open, I'm cleaning up that area. I'm not gonna go, you guys see where that bulk line is at the top. I'm not gonna go higher than that. I'm just gonna freehand that. So I'm just cleaning up that area to make sure that everything is a one guard open. Now with the zero guard closed in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now with the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. So like I said, I wasn't going to use any guard to try to go up any higher than that bulk area. So right now I got my wall magic clips and I'm freehanding the top, just kind of gradually blending everything in, to that one guard. So I asked my client if he wanted this overhang. He said no. So right now I'm cutting it off, shaping it into what I think would be the best shape for my client's head. Now, a lot of clients will come in and they won't have a picture, or they won't have too much of an idea where you're going. So you guys gotta visualize and just visualize an attack like Bobby Boucher. You know what I mean? Like, you gotta go in and kind of ask questions and kind of foresee what they're trying to do. So don't be afraid to ask questions along the way also, just so they're more comfortable. In his case, he told me he wanted a faux hawk / mohawk with curls on top, and I said, hey, say no more. So I went with what I thought would be the best option. So right now I'm taking my shears and I'm cleaning up the top. The top is not even at all, so you know, I want to clean it up. I don't want to take too much off, but I want to clean it up to make it at least, you know, a little bit more even. So right now, I'm using my enhancements. The enhancements that I'm using, hair fibers that I'm using actually is called Enhance. Shout out to Chuka the Barber. He actually shot me a couple of bottles of these. And it was a while back ago too. This was a long time ago too. And I never really, you know, made a video on it or, you know, said anything about these hair fibers. But I just want to give a big shout out to Chuka the Barber. He's doing it. He's the one that did the 1 minute, you know, blade setter. He's killing the game right now with that. So shout out to Chuka for hooking me up with this bottle. So after I'm done putting the hair fibers on, all I'm doing is spraying hairspray on it to lock it in. Then blow drying it so it could dry. Then I'm going to come behind it and reline it. The product that I'm going to be putting in my client's hair is called Nappy Paste. We sell that at Velocity Cuts. This product works really good because, you know, you really don't even need a curl sponge to use it. All you do is put it in your hands and, you know, you kind of rub it in like that. And you guys can already see that it's starting to curl just by the product alone. But if you guys do have a curl sponge, I recommend that you use that just to enhance the curls. This is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I tried my best on what, you know, the visual that I thought that he thought that I thought that he thought would gave me the thought, and then I put it together and put the pieces to the puzzle. But if you guys want to know where you purchase any tools that you see in this video, please check out the links in the description below. You guys can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Cheers!